Hello, mathematicians. Today we're learning how to measure length and height using centimeters and meters. By the end of this lesson, you'll know when to use cm and when to use m, and even estimate heights and distances like a pro. Let's start small. For objects like a pencil, book, or your ruler, we use centimeters cm, shorter objects cm. But for longer things, like the length of your classroom or a tree, we use meters m. Quick rule for mathematicians: shorter cm, longer m. Here's a fun trick. To estimate the height of a tree, compare it to your friend's height. If your friend is 1.5 meters tall and the tree is about 3 times taller, the tree is roughly 4.5 meters. You can also estimate your classroom length by walking 1 meter steps across it. It's that simple. Let's recap. Short objects centimeters and long objects meters. Great job today! If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun ways to measure the world around you.